I need to go get clothes. I ngabe ngisabathe wardrobe namhlanje because I'm working at Okyo today. Ngabe ngisabathe lutho ezokugqoka azibonwa. Manje nale wave mina futhi ngeke ngiyilungisa ngempela yazi. Kuzomele ngiyicashise kanje ngoba anginaso leso sikhathi. Anginaso. Ngithe ngiyafaka iy'nwele zadabuka. Yabo nje la zidabukile ngithe ngiyazidonsa kwe. So, nami angihlangani. Man, please stop thinking. Stop requesting. Please stop. I beg you. I'm begging. Please stop doing that. Stop doing that. Yabona manje ngenza ukuthi ngenze izinto engafuni ukuzenza. Ubani yena le co-host kanti? Sanmonan. Ayan. She's probably getting ready, but her hair is done. She said she's not doing makeup today. So, she said she's not doing her makeup today. Kuyabhora uma engekho u-Ayanda. Kade ngimtshela ukuthi akajoyine ama-live ama-Ayanda. Akezwa. The other day I begged her ngathi, let's go live. She's like, she doesn't want to go live because uyangazi ukuthi athini. And I'm just still like, awwa. Ngena kwi-live nje, speak your mind. Excuse me. Speak your mind, son. Like, I do that all the time. But there's one thing I need to stop doing. I need to stop going live when I'm drunk. Yeah. Okay, sharp. Ngoba uyangijwayela amalokuza siyobonana ngoba exhabene. Bye bye ne. Sharp. Bye bye. It was nice knowing you, ne? Omuhle, thank you. This is so good. I'm always training before going out because what is this? What kind of fuckery is this? Impilo yami nje straight shame. So I also decided that I'm not going to be doing a birthday celebration because I don't know. Vele ngangayikhalela nje birthday. Angisayikhaleli. Also, it's going to be my first birthday since I lost my mom. So I'm just there like, oh God. Angiyikhaleli shame. Oh my word, you're so pretty. Wesindi ngiyabonga baby. Oh, siphi isinkwa? Anginaso isinkwa mina. Amabheka wonke alokhu nje avelasha. Ashile wonke amabheka. Ngivele ngabhoreka nje ngibhorekile honestly. So that's why I'm not having a birthday celebration anymore. So, but I'm just going to be working. So when is your birthday? 19 November. Next week nje, and next week I get how you feel. I buried my dad a month before my birthday. Yo, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So guys nje ngilokho nje angisakhaleli nje. Thank you, Nader. Thank you guys for the gifts. So yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm a bit things when ngiyibone. Also, I just thought that Angazi ukuthi ngizizwa kanjani. Akusakona with my twin ngizalwa ngomhla 26 November. Wow, Zara. Thank you, Fifi. Is that a gift? I've never seen that. What's that? What does a waist trainer help you? I need to say against the Jeremy. So I can manipulate le party le. Yabo kube bengilale nayo futhi bengizovuka ngisnatched kakhulu if ngilale ne waist trainer. But thank you. Thank you for the gifts, guys. So I can manipulate this part anytime I want to manipulate it. If I feel like I don't look snatched enough, don't say it's chain. Like, iyalalela le ndawo le. Iyangizwa. So yeah. Hi. Hello to the people that thank you, Fifi. Realize this is alright. Ngiyazigowela nje. Ubani lo? Ubani?
Mngani wami.
Ngithanda ukuyifaka.
Bana, listen. A lot just happened. Fethu baqeda ukuxabana ku-live yami mfethu. Hayi kuningi.
Ubani?
So, amajida the live. Ntwana ungambomsile. Amajida live on my account, yabo. So, bayeda abo Chuma, uMahli, the whole squad. Bayeda. So bathi kubona ngicela uvule ama-camera bayanqaba and all that cool. And then khona abanye beba comment, but like honestly I feel like they just everybody took everything personally, like too personal. Phela waxabana baliwa oJoe bahamba baqala live yabo uMingos noNathi bangena kule live babachaza uNzalani came back on my live swearing at people kuningi.
Man, understand. So kuliwela ukuthi abantu ade bengafuna ukuvula ama-camera.
Bathiwa badele bebathuka babizana ngeinhlamba bathi umunye umanzi shoda ngokunekwa.
Uba othukayo uNathi.
Bazokuchazela like
sawale yansizwa uSmini.
Yeah.
Engabe ngiyachazela. Nangu Mingos.
Mina Mingos mina ngiyolala manje seni ngiyavuka futhi have a game.
Okay.
So ana go sleep.
Oba ukendlini.
Ngise Bloemfontein. Bloemfontein.
Ubuya nini?
Tomorrow.
You look so pretty.
Thank you.
You look so pretty.
Hi, Mingos.
Okay, let me go sleep. You guys don't explain to you. Bye.
Bye, Sia.
When I'm fine. Hey, wait. Uthini? Uthini baleka likhi igaba lezi? Wesiya. Wait.
Sure.
Lalela mfana wami. Ngizoyiphinda leyo nto ngithi ingane zala ekhaya mazise live wakho. Asibe safe, zingadeleleki.
No, Mingos bheka ne. Kinga amajida azithusha baqokushaya live ngefoni yami so ngibanike yona mina
Lalela mana ngokushaya emlonyeni. Lalela into engiyishoyo mina ngisakuphindela manje ngithi ingane zala ekhaya mazise live wakho asibe safe zingathuka amajida wakho. Ifoni yakho eyakho.
Kanti abafana labade bethuka inhlamba ngibathuke yini manje guys?
Ngabo.
Phela nje ntwana yami into engiyifunayo wena umndeni wethu discipline abangani bakho bangasijwayele kabi.
Ngabo Sia. When I Cindy can I just
discipline angibashayile.
Engoku ndicela like ngicela ungaphazamisa when I explain and I'm not fighting with anyone, right? So uma yeah, you can go Sia if you want to go, it's fine. So Cindy, into yenzekileyo ne, I got invited to a live by Umahle, live kaSia. So we all got invited, Abo, oJoe, like everyone. So sharp si join ne. So class join ayo. They say that we should open our cameras. Abo makes a joke. Sia ithina ufuna usithengisa kuchomi zakho. Usia was there in the mix. Cool. So sithi ke thina bana asizovula camera if nifuna usibona nizoya ke live ka Joe. Ne? And then this other guy in the comments is like, "Ay abahambe ing." And we mised that first. And then he kept on egging it on and making it worse and getting so disrespectful. I got annoyed because I'm like, you don't even know us. You're busy talking nonsense in the comments. So now I start going at him saying that because aundazi. And then he continues. And then I end up leaving the live. We go to Joe's live. Then this other girl that was still on Sia's live is watching the live. And then she comes to our panel and then is like, "Hey guys, like pan." I'm like, "What are they saying?" But tina sinamakhekhe amanzi, bathi tina besifuna ushelwa ngabo ing. So uMindlozi a request no naban no Unathi ne ba request. And then, oh yeah, so that's when they're gonna go confront the guys. Sharp, bam. So we all follow, right? So Minglos is busy like addressing the whole situation, like basically saying that if Usia was on our panels and a person disrespected him, we weren't gonna take it lying down because it's Yamaz Usia and we're not gonna tolerate nonsense. Do you understand? So now these guys are just apologizing for the sake of apologizing. They don't even mean it. Ne? And to show Banaba they don't mean it, after we left the live, Lo Omne Ongumazbuko is busy saying that, yeah, we stand with Unewo, like Unewo was right with everything that he said, whatever. So, like, my thing is, like, if Usia was on my panel and a person was disrespecting him, I don't even care if it's my friend or like a person that I know. You're not going to disrespect panel ube ungamazi, utete nonsense kuye. Do you understand? And I feel like Usia let his friends slide on a lot of nonsense, and we felt very uncomfortable on that live. Do you understand? Yeah, so that's what happened.
Ezangafana nayo usiya lento yenzayo shame yanyanyisi.
Sanibonani before ngiqhubeka sanibona.
Hi Nathan. Nisibulise.
Lapho usiya ukhona he's in the room with his friend. But uthi yena unikeza abangani bakhe so ku right for abangani bakhe bathi inimanzi kanjani njani angcono sibe ngikhona bengizobathuka.
That's why wena Sindi mangene kulo live ngabatshela ngathi lalelani la ngamthuka lo Neo wakhona ngathi lalela wena Neo ungazosijwayela kabi le ingane uyithukayo awuzazi ungaloku uthuka ingane ngeklambe kanjena phethu yabo kwawukuthi kunesidwedwenyana ke singithukayo nami lapha sithi ngubaba mangithi awuphume wena sisi kulo live ngimkhiphe ku live kwasiya angene kanti unama powers lokho engiqathaza kulo live lo kanjalo yabo kwawukuthi mina ngibizwa le ingane zithi Mindlozi asiphathekile kahle kanje kanje ngithi hayi cha ngasilala isitori sakhona ngathi 10 ingane zami ngiyolalela lapho uthi kanjani ngifike lapha ngibekela udaba mangibekela udaba ngithi ngi-address indaba yakhona bese kufika le sidwedwe ke singiphazamisa
Usiya mina
angithi ne-YouTube ukhona kuma comment ulalele lapha mangi-address indaba uzwile ngithi mfowethu
Hayi bese kuthukwana ngisho ukuthukwana khishwa ezinye inhlambe bengiqala ukuzizwa.
Uyabona?
Yena.
Why benze lento leno uyangibasela usiya mele simkhathe off kancane.
No, Shem, like honestly, Usia let a lot of things slide. Like all because these people are his friends.
Ningamcancel Usia.
I said don't cancel Usia. Not like Usia needs to be addressed. He can't do something like that because I'm sure now if Usindi was on that live and someone disrespected Usindi, ebeza yeka masiphinde iqhubekeke ngelo hlobo.
Yeah, the problem
whereas he knows even mina like even when I'm live alone and then I have you guys as my moderators, if kukhona umuntu oshinto embi nje kwama comments uyablock.
Exactly.
Ngeke ekhipha ngomlomo lo umuntu ke leyo nto on a live.
Yona into engifike ngayisho lapha masini.
Egcwele abantu esijwayele ukuhlala nabo vele.
Iyona ke into engifike ngayisho lapha ngathi yini lo Neo usho ukuthi userious kakhulu engablockwa lo Neo wakhona because thina sijwayele ukwenza kanjalo umuntu mayikhuluma amasini.
We don't condone bullying. Sometimes la phela siyakwenza and joke around.
Yeah.
But like bullying uthola intombazane wes kulesi sikhathi sekusona right now.
That's why
obeka nje so nje kubi is it is.
Kulesi sikhathi sekusona right now.
That's why ngivele ngadineka wena Sindi kunentombazana ukulesi sikhathi siso ephakamela umjide yenza amasimba kanje iyona into engicike kokugcina lapha ngagcina sengithi ngibatshela amasimba because le ntombazana le yamadayi ibhiki iyaphakama iphakama udoti.
Like she's busy defending these men.
She was on the panel.
Yes. She was defending these.
She was on the panel.
Umngane oSiya shoot.
Umngane wabo omadaya ngathi nothi ufuna ukutrenda ngokuthi mhlawumbe uphendula amasimba.
No, it's not Thando Lihle.
It's not Thando,
it's Kay.
Abesene nawo lamabhatheni Ama-panel enu. At the time bekuthiwa ngazi ubani
Broke in.
Hey, basho kwacima.
Generational wealth.
Yo.
ungibhorile la boy yabona lo mfana wakho if bengiyiseduze kwakhe bengizomqhumisa impela mina ukusha uthuka abantu besifazana kulesi sikhathi sinje
Imagine sana awusazi usixela ngamakhekhe amanzi izintoni ezo.
wow
Izintoni ezo.
Ngomtshela ukuthi la nyoko leli manzi.
I wish ukuthi asiyohlangana nalo mfana ngutshele bengomqhumisa impela phakathi kwakhe lo mfana lo ngimkhombise ngithi uyabona lento uyenzayo mfana mayenziwa nje unginyanyisile because of
Ngiyanyile ke nami ngabe ngi-inherita phela.
ngithi mngani wami angangena lalela ke Masindi wesiphathi wena Nate ngithi khuphuka uzoxolisa ebantwini besifazana njengendoda uphume kulento hawu Dololo ungena
Akafuni.
Uyam-invite umuntu asingeni uyasibuka sikhuluma abanye bexolisa yena uthuli nje.
What upsetted me more is the fact that Usia ebethule kuyo yonke lento.
Exactly.
Uthule. It means that he's condoning it. What more will they do? What more will they say?
Angangibasela usiya mina ave ngine-bipolar ngiyablockana. I'm not gonna block him, but like think about it, Mintos. If you're not gonna stand up for the people, like we literally have our mini family here. We go live, we joke around, we
That's
share
what
whatever
gives
we
me the
wanna
problem.
share. And then now I'm being bullied by someone, and then you don't stand up for me.
Exactly.
That's bullshit.
Because my thing is like, if a person says something disrespectful towards Usindi, we're very quick to block or Joe or whoever. Like we don't take it lying down. So like for the fact that okay, I understand that Usi has friends with these people, I get that. But then my thing is like you can like if you being unati for like for instance, unati ichomi yakisdelelo unati bengazoyeka lando yenzeke. But like I feel like Usi let it slide because he could have said something in the moment. He didn't.
At least like draw the line.
Exactly. He didn't, guys.
So
Like,
yabona wena Nate yabona wena Nate
Kusekhona lana
That's why-
bangena kwi-panel.
that's why mina ngeke ngadineka
Usiya.
ngidineke into eyodwa ukuthi
Ngiyangibasela nje.
umuntu wesifazana bafethu akathukwa ngaphandle kokuthi sekuthiwa kanjani ya noma sekuthiwani bafethu umuntu wesifazana akahlonishwa uyabona lengane engithuke lapha kulo live wena Sindi ngisengibiza ngobaba yiko ngiphendula ngale ndlela engiyiphendula ngayo because mina umuntu wesifazana ngiyam-ignore mayikhuluma kakhulu.
Yeah,
You understand?
that was wrong.
But no usiya singamblokini usiya ke akeze yena la
no, we
efike-
just need to talk to
Simple.
Sia.
Angeke simblock, but I was just saying that I don't like that. Like, it's yabona manje umngane wami ayanda mengasekuthiwa ngikwi-argument, okay, ngikwi-fights, and then she doesn't stand up for me, knowing very well ukuthi lo muntu loyo ngisukelile, I'd feel very bad.
Exactly.
Like, I would cut you off immediately because why can't you stand up for me? Because one thing about me is I know I stand up for my people, for the people that I care about. I will stand up for you. Kodwa futhi mose phutheni ngiyakutshela ukuthi wrong.
Yeah.
Wrong mfethu.
Guys, sana.
Maybe Londo ke sana.
Yo.
It was bad on that live.
Ngaka pho. Uthi abantu bamanzi.
Hey,
Athi
Ngiyakutshela
thina athi thina besifuna ukushela kwi-panel yasiya.
that's why besingavula ama-camera
Shelo
wethu.
bani.
Hi, Bob.
Shelo bani. Akasazi ukuthi impempu kanjani thina. Shelo bani. Shelo every day. Iyakhathaza.
Yadika.
Kabi, yabanginyanyisa. Njengoba ngathi ba amazambane nje nabo lapha. Babone kancane nje kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi amazambane lawo.
shinere
Bonile ukuthi amazambane.
Ngawo nangoku nje bafuna thina sifuna ushelwa ngabo like be so for real.
Futhi ba amazambane lawa lawa yabo lawa ashiso umhlabathi.
Real son.
Atshwamile.
Atshwamile.
Esiyahlupha.
Antshwame njengamasende abo futhi.
Nate yazi ngeke ngacabanga ngathi if Usindi bengakhona la
Yabo ngale nkathi usomthuku kwangena le ntombazaneni ngathi ngasho usingothi la uzovusa enye engayazi uzovusa enye engayazi
Ngithi ungazongihlafulela isihlama wena wangijoyela.
yabo nje yabo sathi because yabo lapha ngathi sekuthiwa nosini bese kukhishwana ngithi hawu kwenzakalani manje
Inkinga le ngane inama-powers.
Bayasikhupha and
Inama-power
andithi as a what's this thing, a host, you can see who's taking out people. Siyambuza bakutheni ngubani osikhupha yena kutheni sikhupha. Ayisana
Uthakayazi.
istory uthakayazi. Time being yavela apha kuye.
Uthakayazi.
Yaqala ukuthi wonke umuntu sekakhishwana dlala umakhishwana.
awuthi sifake abantu bebekhona lapha sobuya sikufake sisungathi siyakukhipha sifuna ukufaka abantu bebekhona enkingeni lapho ufika manje
Enjoy abo.
hayi
Uhambe kahle,
imomkhiphile bengekho enkingeni ngifuna ukufaka abantu bebekhona lapha
Abo sekengeni.
nangomunye sithi nangomunye sithi ukhuzana nami mangibiza inhlabathi imidlozi ngithe awungeke
And bengiqala kuzo unathi ekhuza. Bengiqala I was like wow.
Guys, look at it like
Okay,
this.
abo. Enjoy. Be safe.
If everyone is not giving anyone a chance to speak, no, it's not gonna get resolved. Now, if you start swearing, it's just gonna be another problem that won't end.
I don't
Listen, hear me out, Unati. I think the people.
mananini wena sisi uthando lethu kahle kahle sikhiphani nama-soccer player ngifuna ngale ngifunani lapho
Iman, wathi ngiyoqalaza ngiyeza.
Unati, I think they were swearing because there was no resolution to this whole entire thing. There was no resolution. Unewa wasn't going to come up and apologize. Usia wasn't going to reprimand him or anything like that. Or
I stayed on that live until we were even after we left. I was watching it. Those two guys that were acting as if they were apologizing.
Wesindi ngiyabuya unathi ngiyabuya manje bathi ngiyafuna ngale awuthi ngiyozwa lamasimba akhulunywa lapha
Nguphi manje? Usiya uqale enye live usiya.
Uqale enye live usiya.
Awuqale enye laptop.
Ushare Joe Simbone.
Can you just be mature in the situation? Guys, we know that we're not gonna get the answers from Neo. So it's okay. As long as you guys voiced it out that you didn't like what happened, that's okay. Whether he wants to be a man and say sorry or not, that's on him. You understand? That's on
Unati
him.
has turned a new leaf, Shem. I love it for you, Unati.
It's not even turning a new
Ubani okushintshile Unathi?
No.
Ndiyomlanda because when they nonsense lo muntu okutshintshileyo ubani ndiyomlanda
Choose please.
What happened to
bigger person?
unathi chomi awukwazi uba i-bigger person
Ngakwazi wena tu.
34 awunxilisa i-34 38 khawuye kuba ngu-bigger person
Listen.
no Cindy can't even be a bigger person because she has a small waist akakwazi
When I was there, ne, I spoke to Sia on the side in Beskulum. I spoke to him. I was like, poison. Just know that there's a fine line that can't be passed when it comes to the girls that we normally go live with. In a sense of, if you can't reprimand your friends, I'm here to tell you to reprimand your friends. That's what I was there for. Then, chigi, umindlosi, agathathi kaka.
angiyazi lengane ithi ngiyafuna ngale mangifika kuna live ovule
Thando, ufuna
Ivule
kuphi?
ngiphuma khona na.
Ufuna waphi? I-live
mana lo
kabani?
sisi lo ubani uthando lwethu ubani
Yebo.
Nathan, i-live kabani?
Hayi bo, bengiyobheka ukuthi ulive hayi. Ayekho live.
Nokhaya bakho live
because unman bafethu ngicela ningibhalanseni naye because umindlosi said ujola no Neo ubani lo uthini lo mntana lo
Uthi it's at K.
Ubani Neo?
Athi ngiyabuya.
uthini lo sisi
Uthi khona umuntu live.
Ulo gelbe kaTwitter. Umuntu omdala uthi.
Pho wayela.
Nah, that apparently she's the one that's live. Guys, you guys are gonna go to that live now. Guys, let this thing go. Leave them.
No, don't
not
give her
want to
that.
be
Yeah, no, just ignore her. Don't go to her live.
Understand. Think about it like this. This girl doesn't
Bye,
really
yena lo
like
ngifuna
that.
ukumblock her beforehand.
hayi ufuna ama followers lo mntana ngathi
Yes,
miyekeleni
that's
hayi
what she's doing. She's so good in the
ufuna ama followers miyekeleni
Yeah, rage beta.
Yes, she's using this to her knowledge because now she was also laughing when she joined the live. You understand? Meaning that
She was
she's
laughing at
enjoying
nonsense,
what
which
happened.
really pissed me off because my thing is, she says that she's on the fence. You just heard that girls got disrespected in front of you and you're on the fence. because you don't know
Hayi,
which side
ufuna
to
ama-followers,
pick.
umyekele
And then on
ngifuse.
top of that, you laugh at it and then you're basically condoning the whole thing. Like, ngumuntu onjani, like it's giving pick me, choose me, love me. I swear.
I get them, but
Yeah, abamchoose ke.
Abamchoose utsho
Bonke
edayi.
futhi bonke.
Sengwile and bakhuluma ngabo.
Where?
Bathini K-Neta?
Where? What live is
Bakhuluma
that?
ngobani?
Ngomindlozi.
Mindlovu.
Guys, don't go with it. These people wanna get views.
Mindlovu ungahambi. Asiqhubekeni nempilo guys. So ngixoxele namhlanje kade ngibuka ilo uBeast Boy. Buka ama cartoons.
Teen Titans.
Ngiyazibuzanga. Kodwa ngiyanitshela sama Teen Titans. They're
I
so
haven't watched
nice.
those in so long. So I
Ngaqala
need
phansi
to
from
watch
scratch
them.
manje.
I love those cartoons with everything in me.
In you.
TTT NTT Tennis Team Time.
Now not.
Let's go.
Tana, can you join the daily veza peasant? Can you join the daily veza peasant? And go peasant.
Showing it on her live. Showing what?
Iba i-live yethu uthetha nge-live yethu ngoku usiya uyahleka phana.
Hey, I see ya.
Yazi
Comments,
just let it go.
ngibone badubula abantwana basevet ba right.
Hayi
Kuza
wena.
kwathina baba-right.
Na.
Izolo angithi benza strike lapha
Kuma.
ePark.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then
I'm saying
wafika one
also, I
of
tried to speak to Laurent.
ama
He said
VIP
he's not
protect
gonna
and then
apologize.
bawakhiphela ama
Said
EK.
Alright,
just let
makahlala
it go.
nga-apologize.
Awu
Change
ngisho
the
amaphoyisa. That's murder.
Huh?
Guys, leave this guy.
It's
Just
not
leave
too
this topic about those people. It's fine.
That's actually murder, yes. Because they're not police.
Yeah, it says
They were
let's
trying
move on.
They shot students.
They were bullying those kids azi ngizwe buhlungu njani ngithi.
Unathi ngiyabuya mfethu athi ngilungisa indaba ngihamba ngespanini mina.
And you are also still going to your gig.
Yeah, ngiyahamba manje ngiyakudala ngizobuya manje 2 minutes. Yes.
Now it's been doing.
Yes, but I'm only going at 1. Oh, I have to be there at 1. And Kuzulikmar.
Usengalapho nami ngiyeza ngalapho
Ngilindele i-video ye-interview.
Uyeze okho uzoshaya into zakhe ngiyidedela.
Dedele.
usekhona ezo Cindy usekhona permanently ngalapho.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's
Benini akasangitsheli masemuvile.
You know, since
I
Ubona
saw on
sakhe?
Instagram mna.
Yeah.
Wait, I mean Instagram angisawgrandile nje.
yabo ukuthi
Fanele housewarming uLigma.
yabo
Fast.
ukuthi athi
Ah.
fani mina ku Instagram thina
Bese ngikhona kodwa bafethu
Whatever
ngiyangishilo.
unathi.
Awumenywanga futhi.
Cha hayi bu how uchuma. Uchuma. Awu ma it's
Asishane nabantu abakude.
Aneta, ubani lebuka? Uboy is cocket
boys cocket debe. Aw doggy boy.
Indaba
Ubani uDankie Boy?
Aw yazi behave.
uthi uLigma thina usitshelile ukuthi uphi.
Yazi ngiyalazi igama but like I don't know their faces. I feel like Gqom artists needs to take more pictures now.
No,
Now
real.
they do. They start abo manje bayaqala
Because we don't know their faces.
Because
Namdlula nje.
also Sana, like when I saw like when General was on the live and then I saw his picture, I was like, I've never seen this person, but I know his
Yeah,
music,
but you know
I've
his
never seen
songs.
him.
Yes.
Yeah.
I've never because Sana his music is so big in Cape Town.
They need to start taking
Thomas,
social media
uyimamele
serious.
kaThela.
Dimamele kaThela mntasekhaya, Happy New Year.
Ngithatha uyilalela first. They've been telling me to listen to it also.
Yeah, but
Ekathela.
Go listen. Yeah, Thela.
I'm halfway there.
Yeah,
Utela's like a big DJ from.
uyilalela.
He's like a big DJ from Cape Town.
Hayi. Yabo uyena Cindy uyena thukuzini ngale.
Oh,
Exactly.
Thela userious.
Utela's the guy that always DJs at Rans. You've probably heard his music before, Kawiya Rans.
yeah, kodwa I don't know his face.
Yeah, like people
Ile
don't
nto
know
ke.
Buso.
It's unathi wenzani mfethu.
Unathi uhappy because uLigma umxelele ba uphi eJoburg.
Yeah, I'm happy because like,
Excited.
you know I'm excited. It's the first time I'm never caught up in drama. You guys don't understand how living this is.
Mlindeni kuzongena umuntu abakule panel that's going to piss off uNathi.
I'm just
Mlindeni.
gonna leave the live and go and sleep.
Wow.
Ngubani okutshintshileyo unathi ndimfake impama?
Wow.
Ngubani
Unathi
okutshintshileyo
unamanga.
ndimfake impama?
Unathi
Ndimfake impama?
bamdlisile ushade.
Maybe le akhwili le ayiphuzayo.
Unathi,
Cha,
this is not you.
bamfakile iwoza
Unathi,
woza.
Unathi, remember that the only reason why I became your friend is because you're very chaotic. Ufana nami. Koko xa utshintshayo yintoni?
Ayingeke mfethu.
This is not you, is diabolical. He's giving, baby, this is not you, I'm shy. I can talk to him. I know him, baby. Look at me. This is
No,
not
look
you.
at me. Look at me. This is not you.
Wait,
Stop.
guys.
No, guys.
I know how
No,
to
guys.
handle him.
No, like
Wait.
I know him. I know him. I know him. I know this man. Let me talk to him. I know this man.
Move. Ishu pam. Jake.
Ngazi. Suka la.
Ungaselaphi la?
Awukhona usumile lapha impama efika ungalindele iyathusa yo. Uyahlala uprocess uthi ngisanda kushawa.
Uprocess uthi hey man kuthi ugqiba kwenzeka ntoni apha?
I know him. I can calm him down.
Iyaringa.
No, guys, let me talk to him. I know this man. Asikayigalele kuwe impama because uyaphanda.
Yo.
Wait, I know how to handle him.
Uzoqala athi, baby, please move. No, baby, this is not you. Wah!
Ujwayele vele ba. Ayamsakaza methi ngekho.
Baby, ndijonge emehlweni. Look at me in the
Look
eyes.
at me. Look at me. Look at me.
This is not you.
Abadiki. Like,
I
just
think
let the
the
people
worst
fight,
thing-
dog.
The worst thing you can do to me is also stop me when I want to murder someone. That's the worst thing. Oh, I
No,
know you.
Fika,
I
need to know, guys. Like, let me talk to Unati. I know Unati. This is not you. This is not you. Ibe ingu Unati straight.
Listen, I've been in a situation like that, and I was telling the guy, calm down, do not do that, because also the environment didn't make sense. It was my friend's funeral. He wants to fight with my friends. We are kabanga nje bengizothi kakumele ngithi look at me ndijonge emehlweni
Chonge.
Jonke. Uyenza le
Oh my gosh, it's Diddy.
Hi, Didi.
It's Diddy.
Sanbonani.
What's up, Diddy?
How you doing, Diddy?
Hi sana uDidi.
Hey, Diddy.
Unabile Joe.
Ngimbonile about it. We are trender because allegedly he is promoting women abuse.
Sleeping. Also
Hi,
nalala
Awa.
ne-cousins.
Jwa.
Nojola ne-cousins udidi.
They got better cousin.
Udidi bekajola ne-cousin yakhe.
4 years.
I-4 years yonke.
Content.
I-4 years.
It's content. No, it's content. No, you guys.
No, but like he actually told us that he was in a
No, he
relationship
told
with his
us.
cousin for 4 years.
No, I actually told them, like, I didn't know that is something else. Then this is something else. Come on now. You can't kill me for that.
Wajola ne-cousin
this is
yakhe
not
4 years yonke engayazi why i-cousin yakhe. Tell me why you didn't ask if
I've
people
kissed my
sakhe.
cousins.
Me too.
See.
Me too. Me too.
Clock it,
I'm
Masinta.
sorry, guys. I have
Oh,
done
clock
it.
it,
They're
please.
so hard. I'm like, damn, you're so hard.
Did you know that they were your cousins?
Guys, quick case
Yes.
he
Yeah,
didn't
boo.
know. And once he found out ukuthi cousin yakhe
No, but like
wamyeka.
Nina guys, Nisa better because with me, my
Oh,
brother,
thank you
like
for the gift, Angbona.
Thank you, King Breezy.
Thank you, Breezy.
my brother got my cousin pregnant. So Nina Ningoni.
Hayi Thuma.
Kwami yophuma ngaphelelanga.
Indaba egaga. Uzophumelela.
Unat no.
Sekushintshile unathi yini lento yenzayo manje.
Wait, but don't you guys know ukuthi when two family members mix, umntana uphuma ngaphelelanga.
Yes.
Uphume ngaphelelanga okanye
Uphume
uphume
ngaphelelanga
into extra.
enengxaki.
Uzophumela into extra.
Extra chromosome.
Extra nose.
Immutation. Hey.
Qiniseka yi.
Guys, asifike ku-wrong mase kufike ukuthi sekuhappy sex no seku-wrong. Kodwa ukucabuza sengamcabuza nomkhazana wami.
Yes. Yes.
Futhi namanje if angathi una yo ngiyadla.
Ambonga futhi.
Unathi ngiyakubona.
You say if it happened now I would never do it like
Unathi ngiyakubona.
Unat.
Ngiyakubona.
you guys' cousins to go to the Makaya. So when I buy there I also operate. Why?
No, guys, like
Someone has to
the thing
come
is,
back.
this thing of cousins, cousin. Guys, people who are not our cousins, they say that they are our cousins. Why? Extended family. That extension is for who?
It's not
It's for me.
Hi, they're not cousins. They're not. Feel free to do anything.
That
How
extension
One of
is
my
for
cousins,
who?
you know.
Must say good and they must say 3 blocks down.
And not even 3, Cindy. Cousin, your cousin, Jackson, cousin, 1 minute.
That's not my cousin.
Mafethu, uzangiqaba kodwa cousin ka unathi cousin wakho njani? How?
No, Shem, nah, I don't even look at my cousins like that at all, Shem. I don't.
That means there's no proper looking cousins. Because
No, they are.
I'm
But like,
not saying
If you see
Babi.
my cousins, yo,
We're not saying Babi. But not
What
ba
does
uthi
it?
umkhalele umuntu wayibo.
Aibo, who gifted me?
Japotela ukuthi cousin
Thank you,
abasho
King
hlezi
Breezy.
babona kwami kwimicimbi emisha.
Guys,
Njalo
the
nje
thing
spot
of
new cousin.
the thing of cousin, ne? Mayiphelele pha ku flat ba. Hi mos, hayibo.
Kuflethelwa ntoni?
Iteni flatter, Nina.
Thani flatter. Did it?
Ucabuza
Ufafletha
kuphela.
cousins zakho umdala.
Oh,
That
Flatter.
has kissed her cousin.
Flatter, yo. I want to get straight to the point.
Hey, you got those
Straight to the point.
This stresses me so much.
Isindi ingxaki
akhona amanye
uyangistressa
ama-cousin
kwangu.
awangama-type yazi.
Hayi,
Ngiyitype yabo
Unathi.
nje kodwa ucousin nje.
Unathi, that's incest,
No,
man.
like, listen, when I say cousin, like you see my friend is ne? I'm very close to me.
No smashing, no.
My
Smashing,
cousin,
Hayibo.
no
if you are
smashing,
not from
guys.
ugogo wami or umkhulu wami, if you're not within that, you are extended. You have another surname.
Janala.
Unathi.
Wasala.
Come to Papa.
As long as I say
Ashikaramine mfana.
asoze chuma. If also
Ashikaramine.
you not tutor, hi.
In that case, cousin, Sham.
No, I can't. Actually can't.
Yetho. Ima
Oh,
yetho. Yetho ngibani isiduko sakho?
Kufako.
Kanoba mfaku mna uqaba.
Hayi masiyeke dithi.
Masiyeke, imagine sana nditshole noRhadebe.
Masiyeke tsho mama.
Imagine nditshole noRhadebe, that no, never.
Exactly.
Did you want to feel umndeni
Masiyeke.
I'm so happy.
Who did you
Masiyeke dithi sana. Ufuna ndithini?
Guys,
Shaya ngwana.
ani understand ingxaki nina? Hey, it's fine. It's okay.
Did you when we are standing cousins? What jolly 4 years now?
No, guys, no. Listen. Le 4 years anjani. Guys, anifuna undimamela ingxaki. Thank you so much, Cindy. Anifuna undimamela nina, ne? Such only 4 years, we didn't know. I didn't know her. She didn't know me. We met somewhere. Ping. Haibo. 4 years.
You didn't know.
No, I would never look at
didn't
that
know.
person the
I
same
didn't know.
again. Because what do you mean that like you my cousin, but you also know my insides? There's no way.
Thank you, Cindy.
Oh, my sister, I know everything. So,
I did.
Also, Didi, I'm asking you. Nekwi talking stage, you ask questions like
Thank you, percent.
uphuma kuphi isiduko sakho man. That's CCTV.
I did that.
Why didn't
Ibethuna iman ingakani ndiva.
isiduko sakho
Benze
besithini
beyifuna
manje?
ukuyenza guys.
Andiva
Thank
mamelani.
you.
Hayi
He
mamelani.
only
Hayi
found
mamelani.
out when
No,
they said to
mamelani.
him, "In long lost uncle."
I get
Long
that,
lost-
Long
man.
lost island.
Isiduko.
Uncle.
Nina, mamelani. Lo mntu lona akatshatanga nomama walomntana. So lo mntana ubiza into zika mama wakhe. Uyayiqonda?
Tell ungabuzanga
Does
about
that
tata
make
yakhe
sense?
ngibani.
Utata kho ngowaphi?
Ngeke Ungabuzanga about
Uyihlo mna bakekho bawafa. Uba ufile.
Hayiba awubuzi wena ba kwenzeka ntoni utata what if benedate issues?
Andingenjabo.
Hayibo, wena mfana umncede usidedi issues uphambene.
No, bra.
Did wena mos?
Chuma. Ndingakubuza ngotata yakho mhlambi yatriggerisha. Umuntu wayethule engatheli ngotata yakhe. What if iyamtriggerisha indaba katata yakhe?
Uyabuza kodwa.
That's valid
Uyambuza
also.
bayatriggerisha.
Yeah, that's valid.
Unathi uthi
Didi,
mnike
but you
yena.
That's
do
valid
ask.
also.
You do ask about iyamtriggerisha or
I was
why? Is it a sensitive topic? Uyambuza umuntu.
Uyambuza ba why yaphi utatako.
Guys, I was
Guys are
young.
very far. Didi, kamzisa apha funde ndimbone.
Anjani?
Bana.
Hayi cousin yakho ngokudidi hayi.
You, Galaxy.
Congrats.
Hey, Breeze,
Mina.
uyalwa.
Thank you.
Ngifumana ama-galaxies.
Oh,
Breeze,
Galaxy.
uyalwa.
Lalela ngathethwa ngawe namhlanje bayede.
Yeah, show off.
Jonga unathi. Jonga unathi.
General.
Jonga unathi. Hey King.
Hey, King,
Ufaka amabele
sanibona.
nawe sana. Sana Cindy, I have a screenshot of unathi yena amabele cabanga.
Kuma, you wanna play that game?
AI.
Show it to me.
Kuma, you wanna play that game?
Yabona nizawuphinda nixabane ke ngoku nina niyazibona? Please.
Awusasho unathi.
Unathi.
Kuma yem out.
Awu Breeze
Uthini
siyambona.
unathi?
Qedela iGalaxy
You
kanje.
wanna play that game?
What game?
Show that screenshot. You'll see what I have. And I have
No. I'm just gonna send it to Cindy. I'm not gonna show it here.
Me, I wanna show you. Why are you sending it for? For what?
I want to have it. Why can't I have it?
Why do you want it?
Do you,
Ayibo uhlangana pwen.
Ngiyangena, I answer shixi.
Yangena shit.
Please nigga man. Awe mahle usebenza manje sekusele kancane ngifuni.
Yo hayibo mahle udufuma ni.
Jona khona.
Yo hayibo mahle.
ngiyaqala uyibona iGalaxy
khona,
nadidi. Hayi man.
No, asiqala uyibona but hayibo.
Imfanele umahle uvele wayenze yadabukisa ke manje.
Yo hayibo.
Ngaze agift amachit, ugift amachit.
Ngaze
Aphethe uBreeze,
ngasaid
aphethe King, imphethe King Breeze.
Ngaze said because I've never gotten a Galaxy in my life. No, I have.
Yesterday
I have.
This morning I got 2 Galaxies.
Cindy lo
From
morning
a stranger.
I think this is the fourth one.
King
Yes,
Breezy.
Didi, you were on the live.
I was there.
Yes, you gave me
Yes.
2 Galaxies.
Udidi gave Cindy 2 Galaxies.
Not him, na someone.
Iyafana nodidi lento gqiba uyithetha wena manje.
Iyafana naye.
Ongenile kwi-live
How
yakho.
can you
Ayifani
don't
kwanodidi
say?
ba aqhumisa iGalaxy
Can
kaloku
I
You're
find
ayifani.
older,
it?
you don't
Let
say.
her load is
But
it
for level 8.
Ay.
Khona umfana ongenile kuseni.
Oh, thank
Cindy
you.
uyabava abantu bathini?
Bathini?
Thank you,
Ayifani
Breezy.
sana.
Bathi aba bantu bana mna ayinifani into yoba ndisendele umntu iGalaxy.
Ayifani
Uyibhola
nawutsho mama.
Didi.
Wow.
Hayi kodwa abafethu hayi ke
Iyafana nawe.
uyabukisa ngathi amantombazane nje hayi mfana.
Wow.
Fisor.
Hey,
Wow.
Sweezo.
I King Breezy first bafo hayi.
Usifiso wangisendele i-lion the other time ngangakholwa. I was like,
Sana.
Yena lo lion.
Asikayiqhumise apha kucace.
yo,
Iyosebenza.
Adlale ngayo nje kwi-panel.
birthday yami iyenza
Ngisendele
guys.
noma
Fune ngabe
i-Octopus.
sengiqalile nje niyangisendela nonke la 1 by 1 ama-lion.
Xa nindisendele i-octopus okanye itrain.
No, Cindy, we are like.
Mina ngifuna leya whale leyana.
Yo, shout out, Breezy. Yo, and you wanted to. Shout out, bro.
And Sham, he wanted to.
Angfanani.
Hayi, it's fine. Yes.
Iy'nhlahla zabantu ayifani.
Yeah, fine mpela mfethu.
Bengafuna ukungizisa ukuthi kukhala amanzi bengisageza.
Hey, kodwa ukhawulezile Mindlo
Liphi mama
sugeza, hey?
phela?
Yeah, Mindo Sukeze fast.
Eh wasini.
Hey, kodwa Mindlo ukhawulezile kodwa
Yeah.
uhlamba but.
Liphi mama Mindlo?
Yini?
Sekuphelile. Sekuphelile.
Hawu.
Mlilo wamaphepha.
Hayi lutho.
Kukhale kwacima. Hayi, wayi kubomvu.
Upurple sana unathi upurple guys. Oh wena kuthi ndakubona wena bawurayithanga.
Thank you, Jelly.
Kanti ezimali zikhalaphi na? Hey.
Sikhala kusindi sana ezimali.
Wasini awutshela uBreeze angigift lapha. Yena Breezy wena yo shit angigift lapha.
Hayibo.
Hawu, uviolence
Wena
Mindlozi.
Mindlozi phela mela
Yini,
utshele wena
Mindlozi,
uBreezy mina
yini,
akangizwile guys. Thank you Jelly Talk.
Umngani wami lo. Umngani wami uzongigift khululeka.
Ngisho kona ukuthi mina akangizwile so kumele ecele noma umahle noma ubani omunye. Hayi mina.
We Breezy angigift lapha.
Scam inobovu mahle straight sauce.
Angishaya
uJoe noMahla
Nami
somafollow.
mase ngimdala ngifuna ukugift uMahlila yona nizongibona kahle. Yabo manje njengoba ngisebenza kanje ngisebenzela uMahla.
Hawu uyangithuka mngani wami
Kodwa thina sana Sindi singamaqhuza
Yebo,
uzawusebenzela
Mina
ithini.
King
Like-
Breezy
Phela
mina
wonke umuntu uzoba nonyaka wakhe,
King
angithi?
Breezy bafo.
Hayi,
Always it right
Sicela unyaka wami ibe next year.
And
Yes.
ngizonitshela bengizonigift ukuthi okay ngicela kube wena i-host khona vele bangakele bethathe piece kwimali zakho.
Hey, big baller, general.
Yes.
Usindi utsho abe ezamka nopisi kamahle.
into engizokubamba yona Breeze.
Utsho ehamba no 30%
Utsho ezamka
wami
nopisi
sana
kamahle.
Yo,
uSindi.
Sana.
For the donations.
Unathi
Sana,
don't go.
ukhona sana omnye live that I was watching. It was like box matches, like a panel, ne? And then different people request Mamela. I've never seen Interstellar ne Lioness Ingakayana in my life. Ukhona
I
omnye
think I
isco
know the
sakhe
life
was
you're talking about.
sana ukhona omnye isco sakhe was 289K. Isco sakhe.
Aye.
I swear, it was crazy. Yo, it was so
Abantu
crazy.
kanti bayathatha le mali engaka.
Musfiso was also
Usifisa
on the
ubekhona. I
panel,
saw
yes.
him.
Yes.
And baba like during the day.
But then this one was like during the night. I think it was around 8.
Sisomela ngifake yena kanjani.
Baskemba.
I-vault eziphume phayana. I-vault eziphume phaya. Iyaqonda uba what they say
Sikuzwile Chuma
Yeah?
during the night.
No.
Unathi
Bayaba
ufuna
live,
bangixoxe
bayaba during the day. Bayaba live. Mina uthe during the night.
Unathi ufuna bixoxe ngoku
during the
because
night. Uthi, no,
uzawuphuma
this one
apha
was
kuyo
during
live
the night.
faster than you can laugh.
Come on, you strict. Yo.
You wanna play that game?
Unathi ndicela uhlukane nam xa ufumene chance.
Which one is you play the game?
Kandini nani? Yo.
Uyandibhulisha unathi mna nandinto engxaki yakhe.
AI.
Hey man, when I said, did you
Thank
did
you,
you
Baba.
did you
Yeah?
see some video eka unathi ayipostile apha ku TikTok ebanemunca umlomo ka-2011?
What video is that?
Angiyibonanga. Ima we unathi
Le yakhe uthi sothi ndinibonise na
unathi
Ukhotha amazinyo.
unathi
Ukhotha amazinyo.
athi so
Kade
This
ngithi
ring.
yezwa leya voice note oyipostile I was trying to comment and I'm trying to like akulike akucommente why
I don't know what's happening. People are also complaining about that.
Which
TikTok.
VN?
TikTok uthi tired.
There's that girl, bro. The girl that told her, I don't know if it was a boyfriend or whatever.
tell
that
your
thing was.
boyfriend
Oh,
ukuthi
the one that I
ufuna ukuthi
replied to. Hey, Sana, I was actually so shocked. Sana, because of women like that, real victims are actually
Dude.
suffering.
Wait,
Hear
guys.
me out, ne? Khona omunye engihlala naye.
Ngeke.
Othi
Oh, thank you, King Breezy.
washa Breezy.
Ayithi kumele sogeza emfuleni ayekho phela.
Uthi kule ntombazana ufuna
Ngeze konke
i-20.
namakhwapha, ngingakhohlwa
Uthi
kwakhwapha.
kuye. Uthi kuyifuna
Ngaze
20,000
ngafisa ukufana
otherwise uzohamba
njengoMahle.
uyoxela pha esikoleni aba wamenza lento. Time being she's lesbian. Athi ba uzohamba yobaxelela kulonyaka ba she raped her and all that. Ufuna i-20,000.
Let's go, Kosi girl. Let's go. Show them your money. Show them your power.
Hula unathi.
Ufuna
Sayibona imali yeza
20,000.
kuwe. Yo.
Ba
Mina usathi
great,
unathi mina
Chris
umahle. Sathi unathi bukumahle nje. Fisa ukufana njengawo.
Asalela ukufana nawe.
Didi. Uthini joke ngoku?
Ndisalinde i-measurements zakho, bra.
Ngiyashada.
Yeah?
No, and he does
No, I'm gonna make a pants for her.
Oh, ngenzeleni nambo.
Ufunani?
Ufuna ukushiyeka, no?
Guys, but like you guys have businesses, you could use me. Like use
Ufunani kaloku
Real.
Sue?
That's so real.
I crochet. Ukuba better
Oh, okay. Like that's all I'm saying. Not that ngifuna ukushiyeka nani.
Breezy sana umhile umahle.
Abafisa ungeke. Ngeke.
Mahle. Ncwane.
What do you do? You crochet.
Breezy mfethu ngeke.
Yeah.
Gay.
Wena.
Hayibo. Unathi. What if wafundiswa ugogo wakhe?
My
Cha ningangikhiphi ngiyabuya manje. Ngingize ngikhipha ngiyabuya manje.
Umkwaqe lo siya lo.
yabakhupha abantu abakwe-video calls.
Yeah, guys, listen. I feel like no, it's fine. Eh?
Mina ngizomfonela nami usiya ngimkwaqe vele mina.
Breezy mna sana mna ngicela imani gani if
I
uyafuna.
honestly don't feel like
Prison seko 100.
guys.
Oh please basijikele izinto.
Breezy, hi daddy.
Basijikele oh please fuck off.
Hayi mina Breezy ke ngathi akangizwile.
Me again. Your beloved Cindy.
Ungaba ku20 kanje unomngane oyiguthumela usakhe.
What if
Sikunxulisa kabi kanjani? Ufuna uba lapha. That's why.
Danko my friend. I know you can't left me outside. Iguthumela lami. Oh my nigga. Oh my jobless nigga. Ah, wena. Chaka.
Yeah, wearing these shoes today.
I know, please. You can't left me outside.
Cindy uthi uhamba ne?
Yes. Ngishaya sasemakuleni angizwa please.
Ibo guys ngisablishile ucabanga ukuthi namhlanje.
Uyasizwa isigisi sami.
Mindlosi awungiboni ukuthi ngiyagowa la.
Yini ntwana?
Ngiyagowa. Buka nje uma
Baningi.
uyena ongilekelelayo. Thank you.
Thank you, Breezy.
ukuthi uMahlini unama favorites because thina akazi to me.
No, yamzwela omunye
Jama
umuntu.
gift nakina.
Hawu.
Wena unathi.
Hey yo, King Breezy, can you please get me to like 500, bro? If you want, bro. Like, but shout out to you. Bro. I know you can do it, bro.
If you want, it's valid. If you want, very valid. We are tall. We are tall.
Actually, guys, listen. Me, I don't want gifts. Can you guys please help me get to 10K? If all of you guys follow me now, I'm close to 10,000. Let's go, guys. If you want.
Thina sesikhona vele.
Mina ngicela u30 mina bafethu.
Kumele ngifollow la ngepage le business straight.
Follow nange backup accounts.
Follow fake account yam.
Guys, please do so. Just get me to 30. Guys, I promise. The content I'll give you guys.
I'm gonna create 900 accounts for you, my brother.
Hey, 900 comments. 900 comments.
No, Sukwa is not my Mararang.
No, say I don't have to tell us twice. Say
Kupuka lapho tidi.
Just get the boy to 10K, guys. 10K, guys. I'm close. Bro, I promise you guys, when I get to 10K, I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna take you guys out with me. I swear on my life.
I'm gonna hold you to
so post the account up na Instagram.
So go out, okay.
Pretty kaloku wena ukho mntu asesekapa uyafana njengomkhenetha nimenywanga.
Mina ngiyeza ngalapho mina.
And asizukufonela.
Asizukufonela.
Sofikela kwa Cindy.
Akhathele Cindy.
Hayibo.
Jonga kuyabuza basho uba you.
Besithethile. Hayibo.
Cindy
yazi nithethayo. So please.
Una she just got a money gun. Thank you.
Look at you.
Shout out.
Danke lapho.
Shothi mina ngiyigwinyaki.
W Spiso.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Nah, bro.
Thank you, Sfiso.
That's crazy.
Sfiso, you like the baby lion because he got a lion on this. Like when I see
This is wild.
W
Thank
Spiso.
you.
Let's until it get no piwe la. It's all for you guys.
Imani guys, Imani guys, mfuno announce ninchongile bandi ku 1K.
Over 1,000.
Danke lapho.
2.31K.
It's Fiso. Thank you very much.
Hi, Mahle. Khawume asithi nawe wena Mahle, part of the big league. Asithi nawe.
Kuma Mamela.
We big five. We big five.
I appreciate the gifts. If these were all followers, I would have been by 10K by now. You know that.
As
But
for
guys, I know you guys are
let me tell you good to phone and man, you just need one viral video.
real.
That's one.
No, but like when I started joining lives as Cindy, specifically Cindy, I think I started joining her live. I was on like 1K, 1 point something followers. Now in the kitchen, 4K. I was thanks Cindy for featuring me.
Abantu bambaya follow Anna, babes. Me never know Instagram. Maybe we should go live on Instagram sometimes also.
You don't. I follow you on
connect the panel of
Instagram.
IG.
Yes, Cindy.
Instagram futhi ke bahlanya kakhulu.
Cindy, when I catch you, when I'm
Usindi umele uzumtshele kaningi uzumfollow IG uzumtshele kamningi.
No, but like I followed her for a very long time. I followed her for a very long time.
Listen to me. Ayikho app engasayinakile njengaleyana.
Instagram uyabhora enye into
Bengaposti content
Washa sekunjalo.
DM ukuthi ubani khona ngihleke ngathekisa ama DM ami yo.
Let's take this take this moment and say good night to Fiso.
Good night.
Siyabonga lapho.
uNkulunkulu uzokucabuza isiphongo tonight.
Yazi wena Sifiso ingase umuntu akuthumelela isalary yakhe ngemistake.
Into esabo 40,000 kanje.
Wena i40 incinci for uSifiso khanimeni. Ingasibe yi-government official ezamthumelela isalary yakhe ngemistake.
Amthumelela itenda ngemistake.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Kwande
Tenda ebhatalayo na
kwande apho uthathe khona Sifiso.
Wayikhanyisa ipanel bandla yazi.
Kwande apho uthathe khona.
Ukunikeza imali
ukunikile nje imali gun means
awu2 put.
Yeah?
Ngathi uyena. Do it again.
No, umnike i1 imali gun.
Oh yeah.
Ngathi uyena fana.
Ngathi ubani?
Ngathi umshunqisi. Ayishayile udini manje.
Abantu bangosini bayathetha kaloku bazani kanjani.
Yabona apha ngoku yabona apha kushota abakungene ukhona lo thanda unigift ukhona la mfana othanda unigifta ucace
Anengifollow wena anginawo ama followers Nkosi
hayi
yami.
unathi
Ufuna ukubona ungagqokile.
Bafuna ukulumisa inkosi achuma.
Bathi
kodwa wena kodwa guys
wait Chuma. Uthi uloku njalo lapha uSifiso usende small lion he can do better.
Is that a challenge? Is
Is
that a challenge, Breezy? Wena King Breezy. Hayi ke Breezy khasibonisa udume ngantoni.
Asibone Breezy ukuthi udume ngani.
Asibone Breezy.
Bathi lalelani. uBreeze kahle ngokomthetho. Abamvotelayo la abake baphakamisa izandla ngama-fire emoji lapha phansi. Abathi Breeze, abathi fire emoji, abathi Sifiso, bathi heart.
I vote for you, but you must send the lion to me.
Lalelani man ngicasulayo manje. Abathi Breeze, abathi fire emoji, abathi Sifiso, bathi heart. Ayikhuphuke leyo nto lapha. Ngikubona lapha kuma comment.
Ofake uheart on fire emoji sawuthini ke.
And mangikhuluma naba bathi heart, bathi Sifiso. Ngicela bathi Breeze, bathi fire emoji lapha. Sengithule. Nivala ama mic wenu kancane mnyuthane. Ufuna ukuze competition lapha phansi. So counter.
Ngicela khona isivalene ezi mic sana umindlo usuzosibetha.
Otherwise ngiyaniblock. Yini bayasangana lapha. Amapanyaza aqoshiwe afuna imoto ebusuku bafuna ukubamba inkunzi. Oh. Fusa siyakentini. Lalelani, ushuthi uyi-1 umuntu ovotela uSifiso. Abathi Breeze fire emoji. Hayibo Mahle uthule nawe.
Liso wena Mindlozi caba yami ivote awuyiboni.
Angwabone lalela. Kanti.
Yini?
Angiboni mangibona unathi kuphela or istakile lento.
Abantu ba-comment, yes.
Nah, people just are joining the live, but they're not commenting. Oh, there you go.
Oh, umahle uthi. Hayi umahle uthi wena ujikela upraise uthi Sifiso uthi hey. Isigebengu umahle.
Kuqala uBreeze kulandela uSifiso. Qala uBreeze mase kulandela uSifiso. Yabo.
Mna ndithi both A and B. What's that?
Nah, me both.
Why have one when you can
to
have
score.
both?
Both to score.
Cindy, I've given you the idea there. There's that heart with the fire,
Ngicale ngoBreeze ngathi fire emva kwazothi heart.
No, but like, why have one when you can have both?
Exactly.
Why have one when you can have 9?
Amajabulo amaningi.
This is getting out of hand.
Why have one when you can have 9?
That's okay. But
This is no longer about gifts.
Yeah, angikwazi ucomment mina lana ngisabathe ngiyaciphaza kuciphazeki.
I shoot telephone. I shoot telephone.
I shoot iPhone.
Son. TikTok actually dusts me.
Guys, what's going on? People are not commenting. What's going on?
Abbas food.
Let me send it off.
Eh?
I'm gonna
Hamba
turn them off
uyi-1
and send them back
Junior.
on. Then turn them back on. Guys, if kunenkinga ngama-keyboard sitsheleni sesinivulele.
Manje sikhathe
Nimfollowe. I think bafuna ukungifollowa, that's why
Asifuna
bonke
ukufollow unathi, please. Asifuna. Yo.
Ayisuke madoda, ayisuke.
Nobu King Breeze usuke yo recharge
Speaker sami ngiyofaka igqomu ngoku kube late once. What's that?
Ina guys ngidlale iphi ingoma? Kunini
Puku.
Angidlala. Khona ingoma engidrophile today.
Ngidlalile newawawa leno DJ leg kade
Khona le isithi manje. Ithini ngombe le yana? Ade
The Cartels, searching the Cartels. That's my money, lap. Generous Mamani.
Wow.
Mamani.
Aye.
Generous Mamani. The Cartels.
Oh, General Mamani. Bengisho ukuthi uSimamane.
Oh, ngicabanga ukuthi uSimamane.
No, Generous Mamani.
Ngicabanga ukuthi
Jenny.
Cultivated.
I'm so happy ukuthi igoli seliyayidansela igqomo. Sit down make igqomo
Yabona the day that I go to Durban, guys, ngicela ninganqandi because ndizawugroova oko.
Wenetha.
Sure.
Netha. Aningitshelanga ukuthi yazi ukuthi mina ngithatha igig yaseRocket yaseThekwini because ngithi ngiyolalela igqomo. Ngizwa kuthiwa ngabuza kuthiwa akudlala igqomo la ekhaya.
Adlalo eRockets igqomo mfethu. Ba class mfethu. Not to speak bad, but like
I'm still heartbroken.
yeah,
You can't tell me that ngiseThekwini and akukho no DJ yedwa wegqomo.
Nindawo eziningi ngamanje bese street bathanda ipiano labantu ngala ngazi indawo.
Ndifethu mina ulungisa dance floor cause
Abunandi.
Thank you, King Breeze.
Thumela unathi.
zindoni ezingozi.
Ngiyambona.
Imali ezi wena washa Breeze.
Ngiyambona uBreeze akadlali ngimtshelile ngathi usondela yona.
Awe ma.
Wow. Kodwa wangipha mnandi mahle.
Ngiyayizwa noma nginyusa.
Hayi sizwa kahle.
No, omakhelwane bazokhala kodwa i-Friday. How?
Friday
And abantu be-15 baholile.
Awe ma.
Oh Shambo.
Small lion.
Batho uyadelela.
Ubani? Yabuya vele ingoma.
Khona Mr Bishop la. Okay, Sandela King Breezy. I'll send it on the DM.
Hawe ma.
Mina guys angikwazi ukuqeda ingoma. Sengifuna ukuyishintsha.
Angikwazi ukuyiqeda ingoma.
Sengifuna ukuyishintsha. Akwazi ukuyiqeda bakimi.
Kodwa usipheka mnandi mahle siyabonga.
Ubona ngoku Cindy uready. Uready.
You ready for what?
Get ready, get ready, get ready.
Oh honey.
Bugo.
Oh no!
Nakumbula nilipesa nasashaya lezi. Kumele ngigqoke manje. Kodwa ngeke ngiphume la kwi-live.
Ngaphoqoka sibelezi.
Alright. Shabuthi. Ya ngiyangena manje. Angithibile na. Angibhekanga la.
Udidi yasala kulo December.
Man,
Wena.
salelani.
Sisala sonke shame.
Ay, why?
Wena ufuna ukusina.
Unokusina. Ay. Wena angiboni. Angiboni. Usinduza uhamba ngoku.
Angeke ngihambe ngisagqoka.
Oh. Bathi nguJoe. Ntombazana.
Waze wathula uJoe.
Uya act.
Oh, uKubo.
Awa.
Awubakithi DJ Shane, uJordan ufike late bakithi. Usuku kwehlanca nomsindo.
Athi ngibheke le ngoma ekhona yini ku-YouTube mase uyayidlala lapho.
Makanyoswe ucuma
Nathi.
bethuna.
Afake uchuma.
Nathi Cuma.
Nathi.
Nathi. Cuma.
Cuma. Ucuma. Oh.
Buku.
Ngibuya ngoku. Please.
Ophumileyo akabuyi. Dlala.
Bam. Dan. Ziphelele njani ngoma?
Ngishintshile. Angikwazi uqeda ingoma mina bakithi.
Phela ngoma le. Athi ngisolisile. Yaplaka ke manje ngigqomo but uphele ngoma le.
Andlaleni uma she.
Blue
Dlala ngama
eyes.
she.
Blue eyes. Blue eyes.
Ngidlala igospel lapho. Yo, ngiyayithanda mina. Inamasimba lento leya.
Awuyomchitha.
Igospel. Don't bali.
Namasimba DJ, namasimba.
Ungena nje lamahili lawo.
Usuyithole?
No.
Niyayizwa?
Yibo.
Nangu udidi ethi up. Unathi?
Faka udidi. Ayibo faka udidi.
Chuma xa ufaka uphididi.
Follow we.
Oh my gosh. Ay. Ulife ebeke wamnandi. Ay. Tukubudanse bani be.
Stand sami.
Khafakele yana mahle sho.
Yiphi?
Adiyazi nokuthi
Bacelile lena.
Amagwinya.
Amagwinya.
Ndiyarequesta after.
Phaka
Seniyitypa.
amakhwinya sho. Ibe ikhwinya.
Manje.
No after this one. Uma kutheni wozela siyabetha bekhaya. Umindlo usuthi up kodwa selapha.
Usekhona shaya network.
Phumile. Hayibo.
Mahle. Jonga ezantsi.
Alrighty.
Naye and it's this song le ade bekhala ngayo. It's this one here. I tell her.
Le ngoma.
Yeah, they've been telling me.
Sizabe sisitsho ke thina kapha eKapa. Nizabe niphi?
They will hate to see me at Rens.
Yo. Hello.
They will hate.
So break up her every day.
Unate afana ka bookisho phakla Rens. Content for ibona.
I
Where?
think ngilambile. But okay.
In Cape Town.
Yes, Rens, Cape Town.
Right. I was supposed to be there. So next year, enough for it.
Oh, I fethu next year.
Go to Anita.
Oh, I just need.
Seriously, I was supposed to be there like last week, Thursday. But man, transportation, imali, yabo. So I had to postpone everything.
No, but like if they're booking you, they're supposed to pay for everything.
Yeah. So that's why I was like, as in, let me not. I was new tradition, mina. I was a call, come and keep it on my lab. So that's
Yeah.
like, queer.
The only thing oyenza wena mhlawumbe ukuyithengela ukudla kuphela uma ufika kulelo hotel.
Yeah. Aw.
Mase ngivuke kahle mina ngifuna ngisho ukudla.
Ixesha. Awe ma.
Uyihlisile volume madla.
Nginyusa.
Right.
Ayishintshe ufake uMr Taylor.
uJoe uya request
Mr Taylor.
Mjondolo.
Mr. Taylor. Ngifaka uMr. Taylor right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Ay, Taylor. Okay, good.
And I'm tired. Yo.
Hi, Taylor. Ebona, like the minute that Taylor's DJing summer, just know that a lot of people are gonna go.
Like what? Yeah, true. True. That is true.
Nata, so akadlala uThukzini eRockets.
He does play from time to time, but they don't play home. They play Afro house. So it's different. Yeah, but so laba Thukzini or Skills and
OOTD.
Damn.
Thank you,
Amy.
Oh, sorry. OOTN.
Kwasha Cindy.
Sehlele emuva ntombazana. Sehlele emuva ntombazana. Hayi bo.
Cindy Chonga.
Ini?
Uqonile into.
Ilayoni?
Encane.
Encane, Koshiwami, thank you.
Are you screenshot?
Screenshot Sesi.
Oh.
Sesi, please.
Yeah.
Pekela.
Expand Cindy.
Expand yourself.
Expand
Expanda.
Wow. Yes.
I went to
Yes.
What is Yeka short?
Imacha, umzimba imacha.
She's not all that. She's not all that.
Also, the makeup is eating.
Osha.
Yola just broke me up. Until uphuma kule that's why ngimnqonda. Ngingamsabi ngimtshela iqiniso.
Hayibo unathi.
Ukhalelani?
Useqalile kade useshintshile. Nazi ya?
Wesindi wayithe mina ubhabhadisile lona ayasezenza lezi zinto how next thing umuntu useyathuka.
Uyamazi nje into zakhe nje. Angazi ukuthi wayesiqule kithi.
Yabo manje anginqala ukungithuka manje.
Lo uzoqaba you have take msunwenje.
King Prince not that bad.
Masengakho.
Cindy.
Oqaba msunwenje lo.
That bad like
Uzovele wena phili
Thank
masengakho.
Yabonga.
Hayi namhlanje ngichargeile ke yo.
Hayi Joe, ufike nini ko 700 wena?
Breezy. Inkosi Breezy.
Hayi Joe.
Praise nje umgiftile phela.
Wasn't it Usifiso that sent you a money gun?
Usifiso sent me a money gun. Andithi beni ku 600.
Uthini sini?
Oh yeah.
Cindy, is you say something, bro?
Hey,
Yeah.
boo.
What is it now?
I can't leave.
Oh.
Oh no.
Thank you, Moshlai. Moshlai.
Ayikho umuntu ozodla njengomahle nje after kwi-live. Hawu.
Kabunesa smile, see. Yo. Yo.
Thank you, Mshengu.
Imali yama-cocktail.
Good to Cindy. Tomorrow I'm sending you a universe. Good night. Let me drink.
Good night, King.
Good night.
We actually have never seen a universe song. Oh, come on, say bye bye. Angazi ngiyibone.
Mina ngikaze ngiyibone.
Angikaze ngiyibone nami.
Nandabone octopus.
Yeah, I've seen a whale. Is it a whale?
Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
whale.
you will. I'm saying
Yeah.
And then-
Second guy
haven't you
call
seen-
a food.
Haven't you seen an octopus?
Oh,
Ngiyayithanda le octopus ikenzeni.
Bozo.
The universe is the one that sings. Iyacula, and then at
Yes.
the end, it's a TikTok live.
TikTok live, yeah.
That's
Oh,
like 38,000 coins.
They are the rich kids. It's a generational wealth.
Not you coming. I'm waiting for Ayanda. It's supposed to be requesting now.
Next door.
Let me tell her to request.
Guys, ngicela le ya. Yenza idoda eDurban, eJoburg. Ngicela le.
Hayibo. Ayo kana
Which
kazinqumalo
one is
le.
that? Which song are you referring to? Imama.
Uzinqumalo lo.
Mama.
Yeah, phela musho i-tag phela ziningi ngoma za-skills bese isho leyo nto.
Oyile ndiyabulela. Ndiyabulela MX. Ndiyabulela.
Wenza
Thank you,
idoda
Mcebo.
eJoburg.
Donkey boy. Oh boy,
Zindlu zamanala.
Where?
Uzomondla nga.
Sekaveli. Uzomondla nga. Seka khona. Engithi hayi labafana bayithanda lento. Elabafana bayifuna lento. I50 ngapha, i30 ngapha, mahala ngapha ma. Engithi mina labafana ikhekhela yabo. Balambile. Yabona if apha kungaqhuma i-universe singahappy sonke.
Aphakama sijayiva sonke.
Githi
Washaba sonke lesonke
That's why I go to barcode. Like manje sengiya kakhulu. Ngoba ayulihleza mfana umuntu ayenzayo kule nsuku ngo Tuesday.
Unathi khahlale phansi. Uyabala. Bala. Yabala.
Hello, sex machine.
Guys, please respect Utobeta.
Cela ni mute nonke. I want to hear the song properly.
Na wena chuma, hayibo.
Lephinde lakho livumile manje.
Awu.
Wenza isithi.
Yebo.
G.
Kwashuba kanjalo.
Yaphela iphansi.
Just like that.
Breezy booty.
Ngidlali.
Is Cindy leaving?
She's leaving.
Mahle.
Mahle is
Uba
leaving.
ngumsindo ndinganilele.
The baby is
Kunela
leaving.
eCangwami
Yeah,
elele
fanele
full house la kulendlu.
Yo,
Full house khona nama cousins.
bangihambisile lokhuzana.
his cousins esisifunayo
And
zikhona.
manje
ngamasana.
imahlala kancane because manje meke waphuma manje uyazi kuzoyenzakalani kwama-gift akho ima ukuthi ku-ende mini live.
Alright, no problem. Ngifuna ukumyisa ekamereni lakhe.
Umntana ongaka unekamera yakhe, damn generational wealth.
Did you?
I'm coming back.
Yeah? Yes, Unathi.
Breezy, put I'm waiting.
What, Unathi?
Umaxeba.
Oh.
Unathi wayigitsha le ndaba yakho ngoku. Fanele thina Nate.
Yinyama ne-echo manje.
Hayi,
Ngizakalani?
lesobho ngoku angazi ukuthi lelani.
Nathi sana useclubini.
Oh, yeah, sekuphelile.
Sakuya ngayo unathi ngabe akekho la shame.
Ngabe uyodansa straight.
Uba mina ngisale endlini ngumntana
You
wenu.
muted, Cindy.
Yini uzangi lapha eceleni.
Ubani?
No, Unathi.
Nothing.
Yela man. Yela.
Hangu 12. Who?
Asokuthandaza. Bhala namehlo sithandazeni.
Uzothandaza Mahle ne?
Umuntu ayathandaza.
Niyazi leyo saying ethi vala amehlo nibambe incosi. I mean nivale amehlo nibambe izandla.
Hayi unathi.
Ha, Didi.
Hayi unathi.
Masithandazeni.
Unathi wangempela usebuyile.
Uyambona?
Say how after 12.
Hayi bo sana unathi unama biceps nama triceps.
Umbona phi Khuma?
Bo wena mfazi wakhe.
Koneni.
Hayibo.
Uthini nalo ngudidi ndimphoqa?
How 12 o'clock ushaye wardrobe change.
Asivale namehlo sibamba incosi. I mean izandla.
Unathi hayi mfethu. Sibamba ntoni kahle kahle cause
Intoni
uyandiconfuse.
esiyibambayo kanye kanye.
Sibamba ntoni?
Akashayi prayer ku-Unathi. Shayi pray.
Mina ngizoyishaya mina bo this Christmas bakuthiwa nathi praying it's okay balala mehlo nibamba ney'ncuzo I mean ish izandla.
Thank you for the mothers. Thank you
Thank
for
you
the
for the
fathers.
fathers.
Thank you
Thank you
for
for the mothers.
thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the family. Thank you. Ay.
No, but like I want Unathi to use that sound. Like I feel like he like it would be so funny if he uses that sound. It's not a sound. It's
Sebenzisa sound Grace pa.
Listen.
I was tempted. I was
Listen.
tempted so many times to use that sound, but I'm like,
Unathi
Zama
ngicela
ngichazwe
yini?
nguZooks wayicula live.
Uviki was complaining that Grace's fans were reporting her account after she used that sound. I was like, never.
bruh.
But
It was
what to do
Vicky,
if
bruh. It
you're
was
Unathi?
Akoyiki mix.
It was-
Ubrazusiye wayicula wathi
uZooks
listen.
wayicula
It was Vicky
usogqiba
wena unathi.
wamblocka yena wablocka uGrace yena uZooks kuqala before unblock you.
Uviki unathi
Smart.
uye wadelete phofu uzisete private and then waphinde wazinantsika waphinde wazenza public caba uthi I don't give two shits anymore.
I mean, I give the shit. But
But naye nje uGrace Mondlizi uyenzile ivideo phaa kula account.
she said there's nothing she could have done about it. Ubonile, if you can't beat them, join them.
Join them.
Exactly. Because Sana, how many people can you block? Because block TikTok wonke mos because akhathalwa apha kule app.
Bloka zonke followers zakhe.
Ufuna usheka A1. Hayi.
My thing is like people are so careless on this
Qala
app.
kakubi.
People are so careless on this app. So if when uzochesta yonke into ngabe uphambene ubuyaphi ku TikTok?
Pull out, awuna mali. Pull out,
Awuna kara. Pull out. Awuna dlala. Pull out. Awuna next. Uzomondla ka. Sekaveli le. Uzomondla ngani? Seka khona ethi hayi labafana bayithanda lento. Elabafana bayifuna lento. 50 ngapha, 30 ngapha, mahala ngapha man. Engithi labafana ikhekhe labo.
why nigga?
How about you vala umlomo wena una suggestion?
Ngathi amakula.
Kusek.
Maruzwile.
Kusek. Uyifumene gift yakho nethi.
Danke lapho King. Ngiyabonga King, ngiyabonga.
Abantu bako 600 apha endlini.
King, can I please get to 1,000? I've never reached 1,000 before.
Asifuni.
Oh hayi. Utheni uzenza victim wakho wena? Why uzivictiminalize?
Uthini?
Ungasabeli mina xa ndikhumsha.
Victiminalizer. Wow.
Ungasabeli mina xa ndifunda.
Right. No, right. No,
valid.
valid.
Yeah, what are you gonna do now?
What you gonna do? No, valid.
No, I'm
You're
done.
done.
No,
You're
I'm
done.
done. I'm done.
Valid.
No, valid.
No, valid.
What are you gonna do now?
What are you gonna do now?
No, but can I also
Breezy
vote for you?
ngikuvotele
King
mina.
Breezy, I
Breezy.
voted for you with my heart and lungs and intestines.
No.
I also voted
Can't
for
do
you.
that.
Breezy
How?
was a fire emoji. Usfiso was a heart emoji.
Yeah, I posted fires,
I
bro.
posted the
My
fire
heart had
emoji.
fire because
I
I
posted
loved the
fire.
fire. Hi, Bo.
Ngicela ukuscreen
No, Usfiso was the heart. Breezy was the fire.
It was the fire. Breeze was the fire.
So I voted for Breezy. Nah.
Breezy ngicela ukubonisa mina.
I voted for Breezy now. And the heart and the fire have been a heart
I also
to show
voted
the
for
love.
Breezy.
Bonisa.
I even wanna vote again, bro. Like Breezy, me, I voted for you, dog. Full time.
Hi, Bo, Breezy. I voted for you. You can even
Breezy.
go up. I
Breezy,
did.
you can even check, my brother. My heart, my fire for you was hot. Yeah?
This was my vote, Breezy, because your fire was like it was fire with love, even.
It was a fire with love. I voted 2 times. Ndingiyashare amalungelo vote. for wena.
What only Cindy?
Only Cindy and Mindlos voted for me.
Yeah, okay.
That's a lie, because I also voted for him.
Yabo.
Let me show you because
Pull out, awuna mali. Pull out, awuna kara. Pull out, awuna hlahla. Pull out, awuna next. Uzomundla ngani? Sekavelile. Uzomundla ngani? Seka khona. Engithi hayi abafana bayithanda lento. Labantwana bayifuna lento. I-50 ngapha, i-30 ngapha, bahala ngapha man. Engithi
Bese mangikhuluma bathi
unathi ngicela uvala umlomo suggestion.
Ithini evidence on hand?
Not evidence, yam.
Exactly.
Unathi, please explain me.
Jonga pha.
Bathi Jomi move.
Breezy, beg.
Not even Umahle voted for you, Breezy.
It's AI.
Beg.
Not even Umahle voted for you, Breezy girl.
There is evidence.
Hello, mama. Connie, mama. Hello, mama. Connie, girl.
Connie, ntombazana.
Hi, Connie. Big. I'm a big fan, Connie.
I'm such a fan.
Connie, ukushuta nawe.
Connie Ferguson, ngicela ushuta nawe.
Connie, mna babukela from konke ongukarabo, usilwa no-Archie, ku-Generations. Mna ndizaku-eda mna Connie, mna ndizaku-eda mna Connie.
Yo m-edeni.
Apho.
Mna ndizaku-eda mna Connie.
Connie.
Ndicela ukhupha uSace ndifaka uConnie.
Uzophinda boy.
Mara uSace ubani vele?
Uqalile.
Connie mna ndizaku-invite mna.
Connie
This has been called this whole life, bro. Ngathi monitoring spirit.
Add me up, sisi.
Nangu Connie.
Iman guys, nangu Connie.
Oh my gosh, it's Connie.
Oh my God.
Oh Lord, it's Connie.
Mrs. Ferguson.
Hi, Mrs. Ferguson.
Ongena network.
Hi, Mrs.
Hi, Connie.
Hi, nguye.
My network is a problem today.
No, but you must stay again, this person is playing a video, guys.
If I take
No, guys, valid. No, valid.
someone, it might be problematic.
Guys, I knew it from the beginning. No, my thing is like I knew it from the beginning because I've seen this thing on my phone page.
I saw the followers. Then I heard the voice. I was like, "Hey, what if it's her?"
Bruh, I was like, it's her.
I knew because I've seen this thing. No, like with me, like I knew because I've seen this whole thing on my phone page.
Labantu laba bajwayele ukuya ema-airport. Uyena lo okhulumayo lapha airport. Khona lo muntu ojwayele ukukhuluma engathi uyena lapha e-airport yazi. Yabona labantu wara. Ngizonirikhodela yazi.
Oh, laba basobememeza lapha airport.
Yeah,
impersonating her.
I call Nicole.
Hey, Bo. Who Connie F?
I'm a huge fan, Connie.
Yeah, boy.
You would never go live with us, Futhi West.
Yangathi uthi bana my network is daqonda more nguye.
Literally, my heart stopped too. I was like, no ways.
If Connie Ferguson joined the live, bro, I swear. Mina bengizomkhulumisa ngithi yazi ngikhulumamela. I have acting skills. Look at my portfolio.
Aye. Uthi look at my portfolio.
I was gonna send you my
benzomxelela ngodidi mna bawudidi is an upcoming rapper udinga i-platform.
Yo. Didi. Rapper. Why?
Mina.
Awungafuni uba yi-rapper ngoku awukhuli.
I'm an upcoming producer. Njengaye.
Rapper. Okay, so rapper.
Mina
Not
nje ngifuna
rapper.
ama-brands, akalethe
Shomi sothi
ama-brands.
rapper
Angifuni
I'm doing
kaloku
spotlights.
film.
and
I'm
then
doing
sothi
film, guys.
rapper and then uzoyibona phambili wena.
Mina
As long
akalethe
as
ama-brands.
usiplugile.
If ngithenga angihlale naye,
Ngizomcela
akalethe
ube ingane
ama-brands.
yakhe.
Hayi, ufuna adoptwa.
Wait, no, valid.
No, valid. Uyoba isister, uyoba isister yo ngobani abantwana bakhe.
Hayi, don't worry, never mind.
Mina akalethe ama-brands nje, mangase ngihlala nje naye.
Ingase mina
Umuntu
andike
nje.
i-shares eze-Ferguson Films. Ngicela lonke.
No.
Mina nginomama like ngifuna nje athathe ivideo athi uyangazi. That's all.
Generational wealth.
Yo, that'll be ghosted.
This is my boy Unati. Say hello to Unati.
Yo, mfana. Futhi that time you were smiling ngaphi?
No. You've been charging it the whole time.
You charge your phone while you're alive.
What?
What the fuck is that?
Ifem. It wasn't. It wasn't. Ikhiphe charging uzama ukuyilight. Ikhiphe charging ifan.
Fan.
Yeah, on, but it's obvious. Iyenza kanje and then mhlambe after 15 minutes may low ivele icime.
Yo.
Unyile
And the West eclubini ngizobe sengifana nawo wonke umuntu.
Exactly.
Yayibona ke.
Cindy, can I have your fan? Full time.
No, valid. Valid. Ifan iyafana ne-vape, please.
Iyadingeka. Iyadingeka ifan. Because when it's hot, what are you gonna do? She's overting. I don't even know you for you to ask for my truth. Nandi abaxelela ke mna live drive ndithi andifuni andikwazi. Andazi uba unomakho uvelaphi. Thini?
Nesathi truth. Ngiyabazi ukulokho nje be-right. Kuthe mngana amade
Downstairs. I have to go.
Okay, mama.
Alright.
Have fun. Enjoy.
For tech, I mean, bye-bye. You have made the big boss.
Wena nje ungalingi ungene ephaketheni isenzo kulanda fresh.
Ujwayele indaba yekhwapha. Ikhwapha. Engekathi uSindi musungijwayele indaba yengquza wena ngiqombe more.
Koma
What the damn. Okay. Wow.
Ngiyakhuphuka ke lapho ngoba sengikhuphuka.
And utsho nge-neutral face akaxabenanga noxabana.
Azogqiba hleke.
You are. Osindi no barongo in life.
Yani niyampompa kumele nimkhuze futhi Theko inquza ubani.
Asova ngawe wena unathi kodwa ukhwata nawe.
Leng unathi izaxaba futhi Theko wena msunwe nje.
Yo hayi asanithukisa.
But it's another day. Essentially, it's back to his old ways.
Asuko uchinja every day lo.
Unathi uchinja after midnight, son.
Msuno wokuchinja. Have you guys seen that video of that light? But discipline. I think you are not disciplined. Class.
Yamazi lo othi, like my favorite thing on TikTok right now is ubanda xa ebiza James Edwin Baloyi.
James Edwin Baloyi.
James Edwin Baloyi.
There was once a person named called James Edwin Baloyi.
That one is nothing. You see, hey, Tupac, what?
I was about to say that one. James Tupac Baloyi.
Yo.
I wish I could utter such things on a daily. You imagine every day just saying my red.
I would never understand passes the ladies because why ingaka?
Hayibo fana. Yazi lento kumele ihlale lip gloss kuphela. Ihlale lip gloss lento cha.
I'm leaving my card. I need my red phone.
Yabona very.
Are you driving?
You must leave your card.
No.
You must leave your card.
My friend is down. It's not like I'm gonna need it and stuff. Like I'll be getting people who buy me shit.
Exactly.
Hey boy now.
Oh my gosh.
Namhlanje
Rawr.
namhlanje uSindi uzobuya neAce neDon Julio.
Bagqiba
Senibona
be
nje.
live ngo-5 a.m.
Uzombona ngo-5.
Shy stock up
ngithe
inzima.
ngiyeke lento yokuba live mengibuya kodwa ngizoba live mengibuya
Cindy,
ngiyakutshela.
Uzoba
fanele uthi
live
kaloku
ngo-5
I
a.m.
receive.
Uziqonda
Fanele uthi
ngoseti
I
alarm.
receive. Fanele uthi I receive.
Oh, I receive. Come,
Yes.
and come.
Yes.
Mna usindi
I be
ngo-5
having
yes.
people buying me shit. Take my little shit work.
Wena, one smallanyana day you.
Tomorrow, one day.
One smaller one day. Call me baby.
You call me baby. For you to call me baby.
For you to call me baby. One day.
Bye, Cindy.
Bye guys, I got to go.
Bye.
Kanti uhamba yini kunithi bayihamba ka.
Sewujuluka uselapha. How
Unathi.
much more?
Unathi yingquza.
Yeke?
Angizokujwayela indaba yekhwapha.
Ha, standard.
Wayicima.
Cimile ke sana.
Wayicima. Akayicimanga uphumile.
Usahamba
Oh,
usawo.
nangu usekhona.
Indoda
Kanti
hamba.
nihlala kwi-estate Cindy because kunini uhamba.
Kodwa manje ngicela ufutheke like respectfully.
No.
Oh. Sala ke, it's not like siyakuncenga and stuff.
Ngisalindile.
Ngifumani kwelithi.
Ningahambi, ngizohamba mina ngingahambi ngempela.
Sobona ngawe.
Eh?
Sobona ngawe mawuyicima.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lions give tonight.
Awe.
Ubhodi nedidi.
Yabo ndiyaniperformela yintoni?
Msunu waleyo performance.
Awomba we.
Wena msunu wenja buthek. Nani na
Msunu womgodi
Isuka
woyiwe.
didi nakho ndigqibezelela ingoma. Uzogqiba undoyi.
like kaloku ndiwoye zizilingo zimbini. Wazanonke nizongisiza? Awi.
How?
Awomba we. Awomba we. Awomba we.
Ehlathini likule hlathi.
Awomba we.
Yazi usiqala kama yazi usiqala ka wena foko.
Why you guys blaming me?